I'm Barbara Ball. I'm the director at the Windsor Public Library, and I just wanted to give you a little walkthrough of the work we're going to be doing with our lift installation and accessibility project. So come with me. We'll go inside the doors, and this part of the building will totally look the same. There won't be any changes noted. The beautiful architecture will all be the same. So we can go into the lift. The lift is going to be through here into the staff office, and then you will turn right, and right here, this is going to be where the lift will be. The other side of the door in the staff office, so this beautiful door will still be here. That it will still be beautiful. It will no longer be a door since the lift will be behind it. And now we can continue down to the basement, and I can show you another change, which is the stairs are going to be revamped here so that these are winders and they're dangerous. They're not to code. So we're going to be rebuilding it so there will be a landing instead, and then some additional stairs that will come down and kind of go around the corner. Historical records room. This door is going to be eliminated. We don't need two doors to the office. And now we will continue on. We'll be coming out here from this door here. The lift will be exiting out. We'll be exiting into a piece of the historical records room, but it will be separate, and then people can exit the lift right out here and into the main room where they can access the children's room, the meeting room, the bathroom. Is the bathroom. So we're going to be doing some improvements to the bathroom to make it more accessible. The door is going to be opening out so that there'll be more of a turning radius. And we're going to have a different sink so that it will be wall mounted so people can actually get under the sink, and we'll have grab bars, and it will just be a lot better.